gentlemen, we are back. It's been a while. Today we're going to be flying to Malaysia with Emirates Airlines, and let's break it down. So firstly, we're going to be flying to Dubai, a 6 hours flight, or 6 hours 50, and then we're going to have 2 hour stopover in Dubai airport. After that, we're going to go back on Emirates Airways, and we're going to go 6 hours 50 again to Kuala Lumpur. This right here is our Boeing 777 that we'll be flying on and hopefully reviewing. So guys, we have boarded the plane. We've got some ice entertainment right here, and as you can see, we are going from London, Stansted to Dubai. It's gonna be a long flight. So we've got our trusty pillow from Emirates. We've got a nice blanket, and of course our headphones to watch some movies. And this is our view. So guys, the food has just been served, and I'm going to run you through what we have just been given. So firstly, we have the Pepsi Coke and water, and here is our main, which is the lamb rogan josh, which is a spicy lamb curry served with green pea pilau. And over here we have our appetizer of a sweet corn and potato salad. Of strawberry cheesecake for our bread, and then obviously our cheese for our bread and biscuits, and we have our cutlery chip and a Belgian chocolate chip. Alright, so firstly we're trying the lamb rogan josh. So here we go, bismillah. Quite nice actually. The spice is a moderate spice, so that's nice. I really like the rice. The texture of it is just beautiful. Rice. Alright, I'm gonna finish this, and once we're done I'm gonna go review the desserts next. So we're back, and as you can see, we've absolutely finished this meal, because I think this was an 8 out of 10, actually 9 out of 10 even. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, and if you like your curries, I think you will like this too. Okay, so instead of desserts, we have to go through this, which is our sweet corn potato salad. So let's review that, shall we? It's alright, it's decent. I don't really like potato salads, but I can taste some flavour present here. So if you like potato salads, you probably like this. But for me, this is like a 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10. But that's once again because I don't like potato salads. Alright guys, on to the dessert. So we have our cheesecake. Here you go. All of that nice cream and cheesecake and the strawberry as well. Alright. That's so nice. That is super nice. That's a 10 out of 10. It's the 10 out of 10. That is amazing. Oh my days. Alright. We've got our Belgian chocolate chip cookie. Bro, chocolate coke is right. This is our chocolate chip cookie. Let's take a bite. This is so good. I love my soft cookies. This is a soft cookie. And it's got chocolate in it. Things gonna only get better. But on a serious note, desserts, banging. First meal, banging. Potato salad, eh. Still have the bread. Probably gonna have that later. I already killed the Coke. I mean Pepsi. Still got a bottle of water. And what I really like about Emirates is that they give you proper cutlery. It's actually metal. Like, it's not flimsy. I can actually enjoy my meal and taste all the flavors instead of eating plastic all the time. Polaroid photo service coming round, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna wait for my turn and hopefully it turns out good.
كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه.